Hello, TJ here, deep in the Cam Center, and we just launched a couple new products. The 3M Cubitron 2 Fibre Disc 982CX Pro 36 Plus. We also launched the 1.5 horsepower Pneumatic Right Angle Grinder. But today I want to introduce the one-piece extra hard backup pad that brings the whole system together. First, let me explain backup pads and their purposes. First, number one is safety. They're required by ANSI and OSHA. Number two, they provide support for the fiber disc. All right. Number three, they provide high unit pressure with that red rib that really crushes that ceramic grain. 3M currently offers a variety of different face plates in different densities and sizes, from 4-inch all the way to 9-inch. We have the extra hard red ribbed for all 36 plus fiber discs. We have the black hard backup pad for all 60 grit, 60 plus grade fiber discs. And we have our medium and our soft density for all 80 grit and 120 grit fiber discs. All right. Heavier grinding applications are going to want to use a harder, denser backup pad. Key applications include weld grinding, beveling, and heavy deburring. You can also use the new backup pad with a variety of 3M abrasives, including the 3M Scotch-Brite light grinding and blending discs. Attachment is easy, but also sold separately is going to be this 3M backup pad mounting kit, where we have 3 spacers and a low profile retainer nut. Let me demonstrate this one piece. All right, this is different from our hub system. You have one piece, and we have this in 4.5-inch, 5-inch, and 7-inch. You have a 5/8/11 spindle. You have a 5/8/11 threaded hub. Slide this down in here. Lock into place. Now we have our low profile retainer nut, goes into the 7/8 center fiber disc hole, and you spin this on, lock it into place. Now you're ready to rock.